The four seasons. A season is a time of year. Each year has four seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. In general, spring weather is warm and summer weather is hot. Fall weather is cool and winter weather is cold. And you can see the picture shows spring, summer, winter, and then where the man is, it says fall. People dress differently for different weather. Page 17 says, weather changes from day to day. The sun warms the air, changing the temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold the air is. A thermometer is used to measure the temperature. In some places, it can be hot most days or cold most days. You can see the picture on the top is of a beach in Florida that has mostly hot weather. And the picture at the bottom of the page is a cold, snowy one. It's called Alaska, and it says Alaska has mostly cold weather. Where would you sooner be? A beach in Florida or the snow in Alaska? Where do you think I would rather be? I'd rather be in the snow in Alaska. I come from a cold country, so I like cold things.